Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to kind of refurbish this radiator filler spacer that goes in a 68 GTO. It's a little bit scratched up and got some scuff marks, and you know, it's original, it's factory, and I want it to look good. So what I'm going to do is to show you guys what I did. So the Black Magic Forever Blacktop conditioner, I use this on my vinyl top, my convertible, and it worked out pretty good. So I already put a coat, so I figured I could use this on this because it's kind of like vinylish. I don't know if it's rubber or vinyl, but it seems to have the right consistency for something like this and material. So what I'm going to show you is how to apply it. So I got the applicator, and what I'm going to do is not put it on like I did the vinyl top for the roof, which is in strokes, but this, because, you know, as you know, these original fillers have like a texture to it. All right, so in order to make that texture, I got to apply this the same way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of dab it on like this, and it's going to be self-explanatory when you see what I do. So just do it. I also said not to do this in the direct sun, but I'm doing it in the sun anyway because I want to see how it comes on. So I put that on pretty liberally and just start dabbing it, and that's going to make the texture for you. And you know what? I'm going to put this in the shade though, because I can still see it. I got my glasses. I can really look at it better. And as you see, you can see the texture being formed. It's matching the texture on that I have already. So it's gonna come out really good. It's gonna be nice and dark. And you don't want to stroke this. You definitely want to just do what I'm doing, which is up and down, up and down. That's just making the texture. And when it's all said and done, I'm going to bring it in the sun and make sure it looks good. You have to do this in like full light, otherwise it's like impossible to do. That's pretty good. You bring it in the sun. Stuff dries really fast, as you know from when I did the top. In the sun, make sure it's applied evenly. And that looks pretty good. So I'm not going to show you guys. What I'll do is I'll keep the camera off and show you what it looks like. So let me take this off. So when I bring it in, you can see that the texture matches with the original. So that's it. That's how you do it. Bye.